about the immersion valve, you should put the foot support. Here is adjustment. Here is the adjustment to the height. Adjustment to the height. That's on and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You should adjustment. And then select the power and air compressor. Electric collect. First is three-phase, ABC file line, any line, and so you connect to the electric. And here is the phase protector. This is phase protector. And the ultrasonic. Is here. Ultrasonic. And the control panel here. And here is for the compressor pipe. This is the clear compressor pipe for the machine. And also the collector power. Collector power is this pump, and here is the pipe for air. The pipe for air. The pipe collects the machine for the collector. And here is turn on and off. And here is counter. Counter by this sensor. Counter by this sensor. And counter the cups. Here feed the cup paper, and here feed the cup bottom. Feed the cup bottom here, cup bottom. See, like this, cup bottom. And here. And the machine work, work here. Start, stop, and stack paper. Start the machine, press finger on it to start the machine, and stop. Stack the paper. And jump forward and jump reverse. Urgent stop. Well, machine is ready. You should check the machine and not exit the block the machine. And you fill in take the parts inside the machine out, and you fill in the hydraulic oil. 46 degree hydraulic oil, about 25 liters. Here is oil pump, lubrication oil pump. And here is the learning model, and here is the main model, and manual hand work. And here is the jog forward and jog back. The same jog forward and jog reversal, jog back and jog forward and right, jog forward and jog reversal. And here is the manual. Here is the to clean the machine. And here is the water plate and the jog forward and jog reversal. And here is the total power to start the machine. The total power. And here is the alarm switch. Start the machine, and stop the machine, and urge to stop. And here is the paper, quarter for the page, and the pre-page, and the page, and for the side page. And here is the enter the touch screen Chinese. Function. And alarm set. And the manual state, and parameter set. English. English, here's the production quantity we said, and the job speed, the button, the current angle, and when here cannot change, the function. Absolute coupling, absolute learning motor, and here is the oil pump, and coupler. To start the machine, you can use this one or this one, the oil pump. You can continue work on this one, the function. And here's the manual. Here's the manual to check. And for the alarm set, on off. Temperature alarm on off, and oil pump alarm on off, and the retain. And here's the job testing speed, job testing page. To test the manual test. And here is the parameter set. If you want to change, here's the angle set. Here's angle. Here's the valve angle. Here's the oil pump setting. And here is the waste paper cut off. Here is the reject cup. And here is the password is number 8. Enter. You say it's open, so you can change. And then to lock. After lock, you cannot change. Password number 8. And then you can change. And then lock it. Password number 8. You cannot change. The parameter. And here, pump. And then go to the input page. Input page is testing. Test the sensor and the signal, and output page, and the starting page, Chinese. The starting page, English. Alarm reset. If there's alarm, press alarm reset. And here is the. If you want to change the speed, number 8 password, and then you can change the speed. And load number 8, and then you cannot change. And alarm control, return the function. The function coupler on, absolute on, learning motor is on, the oil pump, this one or this one of them, and the cup water blowing is on. There is a function, sack paper down, what is loading. This one for sack paper, This one for sack paper. Sack paper is the function of this. The function of the sack paper. You turn on the sack paper. Well, start the machine, and then feed the sack paper. Turn on this switch to sack paper. Turn on this switch, paper sack, to sack paper. And here to the power and alarm switch. Turn on to alarm switch. Here press on, start the machine, and stop, urgent stop. And here is the filter on off. And here is open it. open it. And here is R-solid. R-solid is on. R-solid is on. And here after everything is ready, you can try to start. Try to start here. Try to start. Try to start the machine. So for the machine class is simple. Start the machine, press this one, and this one should alarm should on. After temperature arrival, and then you can start. And you can use jog forward to check the machine. There is no block. That means while the machine arrival, after clear the machine, you jog forward to check. There is no block. Slowly jog forward. Of course, you should take the parts out. And also collect the collector. And here is the sensor. Here is the electric, and here is the air pipe. Okay, here is the machine's for the machine start. If you want to turn off the power, turn off. Okay, here is the machine. Start installation set. The machine's paper fit here and the bottom fit there. R-solid sealing and sensor detect. There is no sealing, auto stop. And here is sensor. Here is sensor detect the paper. The paper coming. Sensor detect the paper coming. If no paper, the R-solid won't work. And here is the cup body sealing. Use no sealing, auto stop. And here transfer to the cup to the mold. And here to detect the paper. If the not transfer, the cup will not transfer the mold or the stop. And here detect the cup pass, cup discharge. And here for the cup pass, for the discharge. Here cups drop the cups here. And this is a detect. And this is a also detect. Here will discharge the cups. And the curly. The bottom fit here and the bottom fit this one, and here open and here fit the button and here on off, open, close, and fit the button here. Bottom fit and bottom card sensor detect. And here detect the cup wall is on the mold. Here only detect the paper coming and the fit button. And here is bottom heating, and bottom knurling, and cup top curling. And here is a sensor cuts the bottom edge paper. And here you should take the knurling out, for example, the knurling. Because the machine we have to keep force and pass on here, you should keep it smooth and you should check everything inside. It's not to block the machine. And the knurling and curly model for the knurling and the curly, and then discharge the cups to this place and then come out. So the machine is work is like this. And here is the sensor. Cup drop sensor. Use the cup drop on this place. Auto stop and if cup drop on here is the sensor. Cup drop on the curly. Auto stop. And there is the bottom patch for the Okay, here is the installation for the machine.